A for apple. A for apricot. A for avocado. A for acerola.
B.
B for banana. B for blackberry. B for babaco. B for blueberries.
C.
C for coconut. C for cherry. C for cucumber. C for cranberry.
D.
D for dates. D for dragon fruit. D for damson. D for durian.
E.
E for etrog. E for Anglica. E for elderberry. E for ephedra.
F.
F for fig. F for finger lime. F for Fia persimmon. F for Feijoa.
G.
G for guava. G for grapes. G for grapefruit. G for granadilla.
H.
H for honeydew. H for hawthorn. H for hazelnut. H for horned melon.
I.
I for icaco. I for imbe. I for ichigo. I for inkaberry.
J.
J for jackfruit. J for jujube. J for yakult. J for jamon.
K.
K for kiwi. K for kumquat. K for karanda. K for kabosu.
L.
L for lemon. L for lychee. L for loawe. L for lime.
M.
M for melon. M for mango. M for meringue. M for macadamia.
N.
N for Nance. N for nuts. N for nopales. N for nutmeg.
O.
O for olive. O for orange. O for opuntia. O for oil palm.
P.
P for papaya. P for peach. P for pineapple. P for plum.
Q.
Q for quince. Q for canepa. Q for coarabia. Q for chuandong.
R.
R for raspberry. R for rambutan. R for rock melon. R for raisin.
S.
S for strawberry. S for sapodilla. S for satsuma. S for Sharon fruit.
T.
T for tangerine. T for tamarind. T for tomato. T for tangelo.
U.
U for ugly fruit. U for uvula. U for ubet. U for umbashi.
V.
V for Valencia orange. V for velvet tamarind. V for Vovanka. V for Vernaccia grape.
W.
W for watermelon. W for walnut. W for wineberry. W for winter squash.
X.
X for zigua. X for Zymanaya. X for Coconasol. X for Xiaolongbao.
Y.
Y for Yangmi. Y for Yumberry. Y for yuzu. Y for yucca fruit.
Z.
Z for zucchini. Z for switch. Z for zarzamora. Z for zalzalak.